Let me show you how you can tell which Huawei band basically you have. So there are two ways. First, if you don't have, if you can't turn it on, then you can simply look at the back of it. So, and you will see this model number here. So it usually ends with B19. So for example, this is Kim B19. And using this model number, basically you can check online which band corresponds to that. Also, if you can turn on the device and you have set it up, you can also swipe down like this and find the settings somewhere. So it usually looks like this, like a settings range here. Then scroll all the way down till you see this About tab. Click on that and you can see this, for example, is Huawei Band 9 and the same Kim B19, but they are the B19 for all models at the end, so really you have to look up the full model name on them. So this is how you do it on any Huawei Band watch. If it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.